Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you join us today. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of deactivating your Facebook account. If you've been contemplating taking a break from social media or simply want to temporarily disable your account, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the process together. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Instagram is closely integrated with Facebook, so the deactivation process is carried out through your Facebook settings. Once you've successfully logged in, locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a convenient drop-down menu will appear. Next, navigate to the Settings and Privacy option and give it a click. This option provides you with access to a variety of settings related to your Facebook account. While you're here, take a moment to explore the different features and options available. Facebook offers a range of customization and privacy settings that you might find useful. After accessing the Settings and Privacy menu, you will notice a list of categories on the left-hand side of the page. Scan through the list and locate the Settings option. Clicking on it will transport you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. It's worth exploring this page as it contains valuable information about your profile. Now that you've arrived at the Settings page, you're one step closer to deactivating your Instagram account. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll find a list of different categories. Look for and click on the Your Facebook Information category. By selecting this option, you'll gain access to a range of settings that pertain to your personal information and privacy. Within the Your Facebook Information menu, you'll find an option labeled Deactivation and Deletion. This is the key to temporarily disabling your Instagram account. Go ahead and give it a click. You'll then be presented with two choices: to either temporarily deactivate your account or permanently delete it. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will focus on the temporary deactivation option. Now, let's assume you've decided to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Click on the Temporary Deactivation option, and you'll be directed to a page where you can review the implications of deactivating your account. Take a moment to read through the information provided, as it will help you make an informed decision. Once you're ready to proceed with the deactivation, click on the Continue to Deletion button. At this point, you'll be prompted to provide a reason for deactivating your account. Sharing your reason is optional but can be beneficial for Instagram's improvement efforts. Take a moment to express your reason in the provided field. After entering your reason, click on the Deactivate button. Congratulations! You successfully initiated the process of deactivating your Instagram account. Keep in mind that deactivation means your account will be hidden from other users, but your data and information will be saved in case you decide to reactivate it in the future. It's important to note that while your account is deactivated, you won't be able to access it or perform any actions on Instagram. However, your account can be reactivated at any time by simply logging back in. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you in understanding how to deactivate your Instagram account through your Facebook settings. Remember, taking a break from social media can be a healthy choice when you need some time away. If you ever decide to reactivate your account, simply log in again, and your profile will be fully restored. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful tutorials. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and have a wonderful day. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen with various options. To access the account settings, click on the More section located at the bottom left corner of the screen. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines. When you click on it, a menu will appear. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage different aspects of your Instagram account. Scroll down through the settings until you find the Personal Details option. Click on it to access the Personal Details section. Within the Personal Details section, you'll find the Account Ownership and Control option. Click on it to proceed. Next, locate the Deactivation and Deletion option and click on it. This is where you can choose to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account. Since you want to deactivate your account temporarily, select the Temporary option. This will ensure that your account remains deactivated for a specific period of time, after which you can reactivate it. After selecting the Temporary Deactivation option, click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Instagram will prompt you to enter your account password as a security measure. Enter your Instagram account password in the provided field. Make sure to provide the correct password associated with your account. Additionally, you'll be asked to provide a reason for deactivating your account. This step is optional, but providing a reason can help Instagram improve its services. Once you've entered your password and reason, click on Continue to move forward. On the following screen, you'll be prompted to specify the duration for which you want to deactivate your account. Select the desired duration from the options provided. For example, if you want to deactivate your account for 1 day, choose the corresponding option. Finally, click on Deactivate Account to proceed. Instagram will confirm your deactivation request, and your account will be temporarily deactivated for the specified duration. Congratulations! Your Instagram account has been successfully deactivated. During this period, your profile, posts, and other account information will be hidden from other users. Remember, if you decide to reactivate your account before the specified duration ends, simply log back in using your username and password. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to deactivate your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.